I don't want to move because they'll fly away. Yeah, that's the closest they've been. They're normally in the tree. See the grass? Hopefully that's going to grow back. The green side is always in the shade, and where the bird is always in the sun. But it's cloudy today. Yeah, so sorry about the quality. I'm filming through fly screen in my gazebo. Can't really do any nature videos yet. I want to wait until everything starts blooming, being that we are going into spring, hopefully. We got another onslaught of snow on its way, so we'll see what happens after that with their Arctic blasting. I'm waiting for all the flowers to come out and see what's doing well and what's not doing so well. But the grass, yeah, see what happens there. Okay, that'll do. Just a quick one. Love you guys. Bye.